This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Nakajingyo jingtep baki laingot ki shenrang ki Pyndonkam ban Nongpynïap yaw Raja Raghuvanshi ki bot den da artle ki Scooty kata na do Shillong haka arpo artrek jemmang arja arpusan hado ka arpo lai trek jemmang arja arpusan u Davis NR Marak IPS Deputy Inspector General of Eastern Range uletho baki Pulit ki Jingtohkit Halor jongki. Kumban syukadau bau Raja Raghuvanshi bat ka kuram jong u ka sonam kila shim da ka Scooty na Kiting Road haka jinglet kai honeymoon jong ki shan Nongriat bat haka arpulai tre ujemmang araja arpusan haba kila 1 kio na Nongriat samau lakhiat layo iya ki bat laingot ki shenrang. Hadien ka Jingtohkit la sham baki te ki laingot ki deu Akash Rajput u Vijay Singh Chauhan bat u Anand Kurmi ki bala bot den da ka jing ai ksai ka sonam bat u Raj Singh Kushwaha u badan ka jingedai bat ka sonam na indoor. Kini ki laingot da ka jingarap ka sonam kila brat ya ka met yap u raja hadien ba kila Nongpynïap yu haki benta ka wei saudong haka no pai singi joga arpulai tere jemmang araja arpusan bat pet krat na ka tega jaka bat la sei ya ka met yap jong u Raja Raghuvanshi haka ar tere jelleo araja arpusan. Ya ka Scooty ba Pyndonkam ki shijur lalap na sora rim ka ba jingai omduna ya ka arpo kilometer na ka jaka balap ya ka met yap u raja. Hadien katay kasonam ru kala jar ngai bat day hadu ka step jong ka khandai tere jelleo araja arpusan bala lap ya ka na Uttar Pradesh bat syakyam hagi Pulit lamnya kitay ki laingot na Lord Raj Singh Kushwaha bat kilawan ra eki Shillong haka khatwai tere jelleo araja arpusan bat tian bishar yaki. UDIG ulaong ba yakini ki Scooty ba Pyndonkam dek Pyndonkam ban Nongpynïap Briew ki wai na Shillong tang ba uklam Batai pat ya ka jaka.
We heard the three accused had hired a Scooty from us. They hired a Scooty.
See there that Scooty has been hired from Shillong, so we are also confirming about when they hired, where they went, and all that, and all the routes also. We are also confirming from the source. See there, as far as our information goes, they probably reach Shillong around the same time with Sonam and Raja. Like I said, both of them are the couple and the killers, they arrived more or less during the same time.
Whether these killers, they also hired any Scooty or any vehicle?
Yes, we have got reports that they have hired Scooties, and this has been confirmed.
So total 3 Scooties were hired?
Yes.
Whether you got hold of those Scooties?
No, that is under investigation at this stage, so I will not be able to reveal all that. So it's a matter of investigation, so I will not be able to reveal.
So are the Scooty missing or?
No, it's there.
In which part of Shillong so they hired a Scooty?
So all that details I will not be able to share at this point. Yes, it appears halfway she went along with this other accused persons, halfway up till Mokadok, and from Mokadok it appears she went. The other accused persons, there's 3 contact killers. They went ahead, and Sonam from there proceeded to Guwahati, and then thereafter to Indore.
So this Scooty was abandoned in Sorarim.
Yes.
Do you think that the contract killers did draw this, or anybody else?
Yes, it must be either the contract killers or Sonam herself, because at that point of time there were 3 Scooties, and it appears they were together at that point of time. That Scooty was abandoned at Sorarim with the key on, with the key of the Scooty, and thereafter Sonam got into one of the Scooties along with the contract killers.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha Pyndonkam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.